Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to put a Dodge Ram in neutral, full guide. Start by parking on level ground and applying the brake firmly. Keep the engine running if recommended, or cycle to accessory for electronic shifters. Depress the brake pedal, release the shift lock using the button or override, then move the shifter into neutral. Confirm neutral on the dash and test the vehicle by rolling a few inches slowly. Before moving a vehicle, always prioritize safety and set clear workspace boundaries. Inspect the ground for stability and ensure no objects could interfere with rolling. Chalk the wheels opposite the expected movement direction and have a helper steady the steering wheel when possible. Keep bystanders away and wear gloves and eye protection to prevent injuries. Double-check the transmission indicator and parking brake status before any towing or pushing begins. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy practical vehicle guides, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. I also recommend a book that reframes money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which makes saving and investing feel simple and calm. It pairs nicely with planning towing and repair expenses. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For electronic shifters, start the vehicle or cycle to accessory, press the brake, then press the shift button while moving to neutral gently. For column or floor manual shifters, depress the clutch or brake as required and slide the lever into neutral while confirming no gear is engaged. Verify neutral by gently rolling the vehicle a few inches or watching the dash indicator. Keep the parking brake ready until the tow or push begins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.